Come on, get in there. Go on.
Get this freaking
Okay.
blanket taken care of.
Take one.
Oh yeah, you did.
Missy saving a bird. Her fingers are all there.
So far,
Her limbs are all there.
accounted for.
Okay. Going in.
Don't even think about it, Missy. Just do it. We got your back.
Go.
Come on, gobble, gobble, gobble. Come here.
You're in a bullet. Step up. Step up, Napoleon.
He's gonna bullet. Come on.
Step up. Good boy. Step up.
He's trying.
It's a little bulky.
Step up. Damn turkey on the pig. Good boy. Good boy, Napoleon. Good boy. Come on.
You ain't got no fruit or grapes?
It doesn't work that way with these birds.
Just throw it.
Grab him while his beak's
I
on
need
that
my
cage.
blankets.
Just grab him around like you're gonna hug him while his beak's on that.
It's okay, Napoleon. It's okay, baby.
Time, girl.
Oh, no.
You got him. Watch the turkey behind your butt.
Hey, turkey.
Butter.
I don't want to hurt him.
You
Just
got
grab him.
Grab him.
Grab him.
I can't find him.
There you go. That's his
Yeah,
wing.
right there.
That's his wing. Yeah. Go. Dig up. Pick up. There you go. Now
You got
see
him.
his butt.
Turkey, go on.
Come here, turkey. Hey.
He's protecting his buddy.
Yeah, you got it. You got it.
All right, come on.
All right.
Somebody open the front door for Missy.
Yeah,
I'm
come
not behind you. Just walk this cage back up.